is our final day in Tromso. We are headed to a cruise this morning and we will be spending almost 4 or 5 hours on the cruise. The predictions of snow are 90% and it is snowing, you can see, and it still looks so beautiful. The departure of the Fjord cruise was from right outside our hotel, so it was a convenient 2-minute walk. This 5-hour boat cruise was an experience to see the extraordinary scenery around the region of Tromso.
Smiling there.
You can
playing
talk about the place here
with the napkins. We are currently in Tromso. That's Mama, that's me. That's me again, that's Mama. There's Weasel with the napkins. And this is our dad, who is holding his phone. And just nodding at the GoPro. And apparently Weasel looks surprised at something. So, I don't know what to do because there isn't really anything to talk about. We just got on the boat, we found our seats, and now we're having just sit time basically.
The Tromso weather is very unpredictable. The weather today, for example, is really cold and windy like a grey winter day. Unlike yesterday, it was good sunshine. This is Fjord. It is a decommissioned Royal Norwegian Navy base located just outside the city of Tromso. During the Cold War, Norway wanted a secret naval base within the Arctic Circle. The base was essentially carved into a mountain just outside the city of Norway. It's a massive complex.
They used that up to 2003. In 2003, they moved the base to Bergen.
Those are the black swans.
We're fishing.
You gonna fish too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but we're going back in there again.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna stay there for the rest of the trip. It's the best.
Best thing ever?
Yeah.
Cool.
Because you know what? You can move around in the captain's quarters.
Okay. And I like your cats.
Thank you. And I think she said we got to keep them. Yeah, she said.
She said that. That's awesome.
I don't know.
There was abundant marine life out there. We saw these sea eagles catching fish like right action in front of us. The scenery is extraordinary. We sailed across these beautiful fjords and straits of North Norway and witnessed the coastline, the wildlife, all from a different perspective. And look at that frozen Arctic Sea right there. Admiring the views of this Arctic landscape, we can never get enough of that. But now we went inside to enjoy the warmth and some good food. It was nice vegetarian soups and breads for all of us. We loved it. Our euphoric experience was coming to an end, and we had this feeling of sordid, like a deep melancholy or nostalgia of already missing the place before leaving it. But we decided to celebrate our last day over here. So after returning all the rental gears, we headed out for a cozy cafe stop and spent a precious hour reminiscing our stay in this Arctic paradise.